Okay, we have two announcements. One is about the puppy. Kari,
Stay right there.
the puppy is not a boy.
What?
The puppy is a girl.
Oh my goodness!
The second announcement is the baby is a
Girl?
the baby is a girl too.
No! Yay, 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 yay!
Um,
Girl.
Kari,
Let's name her Sprinkle. Mommy, please.
the puppy or the baby?
The baby. The puppy. Sprinkle. Rocker. Sprinkle.